Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, if you have any kind of Canon printer, and if you give copy command or print from your computer, and you will see paper will not feed properly, it's getting stuck from right or left side. I just gave the copy command, and now you will see most probably it will stuck from the left or right side. Paper will not feed smoothly. It should smoothly feed paper and out paper from here. But in our case, paper will not feed well, and most probably there is something stuck in the paper path. Today I'm going to teach you. If you have, look, you can see paper is getting stuck. It's getting stuck. It's trying to feed paper, but it's not feeding. So whenever you found this problem in your any kind of Canon printer, you have to take the flat screwdriver simply and open the ink cover, this door you will find there, and then just hold on. I will zoom in and you will see what to do if you ever found this problem. Okay, here you can see these are the white small rollers. This is the paper path. Actually, paper exit from this path. So something stuck down these in this area. So I have to pull, lift the one by one, lift this white color plastic, and we have to find something if it's stuck there. Okay, here I found one plastic inside in this area. Look, if I will push this with flat screwdriver, it will go behind, and then with this plastic. There's small debris of plastics are inside, and yes, this plastic was fallen from inside. I pushed this plastic from with the help of flat screwdriver right down over there, and now we will check again. Also this one also, look, still is inside one piece. This one. So now we will again insert papers. Yes, it's not feeding paper well. So this was the issue, that something was stuck in the paper path. So you can release it with the help of flat screwdriver. If you have any other question regarding any printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you. Subscribe.